Almost 90% of hospitals and healthcare professionals offer patient portals to their clients. This is because of their many beneficial tools, yet a majority of people still don't access them. Part of this is because a majority of people think they don't need them at all. But what if you told your clients that using their patient portal could significantly improve their waiting times at their visits? This would increase user opt-in rates since the average appointment wait time is over 18 minutes, and nobody wants to be waiting that long. Usually, these wait times are out of the patient's controls, but if they can speed up the process, they will. So how do you as the provider make sure that your patient portals actually do improve these appointment times? Well, you need to make sure that you're offering the right features. Hi everyone, I'm Matt from eTactics, and today I'm going to share convenient patient portal features that improve appointment times. Before we get started though, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. While you're down there, hit that alert bell icon next to it as well, so when we post new helpful content, you get notified. The first convenient feature is to offer new patient registration online. Every first doctor's visit starts with what seems like a stack of paperwork for the patient. After all, the doctor needs basic information about who they're about to treat. It seems like we spend a majority of our first appointment filling out these papers. Some offices ask patients to arrive at least 15 minutes early to complete this, but for those that don't show up early to do their new patient registration, it cuts into valuable time with their doctor. But offering online registration helps solve this. When a new person calls your office to schedule a visit, you can set them up with a portal and direct them there to fill out their paperwork. Of course, you want to emphasize why it's so important that they do this before the visit. It allows them to show up and be seen almost immediately since your office already has all the information you need to see them. It also helps to include a feature where patients can add their medical history. This is often part of new patient registration. The doctor will ask for your own health history along with the history of your family. This can take up the bulk of the time with the doctor during that first visit. Patients usually can't remember information past one generation, or they could easily forget if they're put on the spot. Some doctors even skip medical histories altogether since there isn't enough time during a visit to go through it all. But it's so important to collect this data since it can influence and improve a treatment plan. So to make more time during a visit, it's efficient to have a patient portal feature that collects this data. Patients can log on before their appointment to fill it out, which also gives them time to consult family if they need to ask about their medical history. And if any data changes, patients have a convenient way to update it so the doctor stays informed. The ability to schedule or cancel visits online also improves appointment times. If patients can see all of the open time slots, they can choose which one works best for them, even if it makes it easier to schedule when the doctor is more available. For instance, someone might notice that the doctor has many time slots open in the mid-morning. This indicates that the office isn't as busy then, so the patient won't be waiting as long. Meanwhile, allowing for cancellation also decreases wasted time. If people can cancel through the portal, it instantly notifies the office, so they can then move on to the next patient instead of waiting to see if the no-show will arrive. And finally, providers should also offer appointment reminders and confirmation through portals. Since these features help decrease patient no-shows in the first place, the office won't experience as many wasted time slots. This helps keep the office on schedule as planned, so no one's allotted time slots gets interrupted. Since a majority of people aren't using patient portals, providers need to get creative with incentivizing their clients to opt in. One major pain point for patients is when waiting times are long and they don't get to see the doctor at their scheduled time. But if you offer patient portal tools to ease that problem for clients, you'll entice them to log in to utilize those features. If you'd like to learn more about patient portal features, reach out to eTactics. And you already made it this far into the video, so you might as well like it, share it, and comment below. Well, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.